First of all, a simple and easy to get started dashboard welcomes us. Dragging and dropping the document or documents you want to sign or have signed onto the dashboard is sufficient. We can upload our documents through integrations with Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox. After uploading the document we want to sign or have signed, we proceed to the section where we select the signatories. Entering the names and email addresses of the signatories will be sufficient. Remember, we can send this document to any person we choose. The signatory does not need to have any Ethicsign membership or license. They can sign via email that will be sent to them. You can create a series signing among the signatories, or you can add a group of signatories to enable the document to reach the signatories simultaneously in a parallel signature. You can add an alternative signer for your signature with the alternative signer option. If you wish, you can save the signature structure you have created as a template. The signed document will be distributed to everyone once all signatories have signed. With this option, you can customize the distribution area. You can even choose which documents need to be distributed to the signatories. By clicking Next, we move to the Design area. In the Design area, we can drag and customize the necessary fields for the signatories onto the document. We can add a signature stamp or signature date. We can add general information of the signatory. We can add fields such as text, checkbox, drop down, etc. to gather information from the signatory. We can make these fields required or read-only or customize them. In the last field, we enter the subject and description for the process. We can categorize processes. We can plan the start date. Finally, we start the process.